Hi, Matthew. How's it going?
Hi, Paul. I called you up yesterday, but I couldn't get through to you. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Sorry for not calling you back. I've been very busy looking for a new job.
Really? But what happened?
I quit my job last week. I didn't get on with my boss very well, and I ran out of patience. He used to have me do my projects over many times. I just couldn't put up with all the hard work. That job was stressing me out. It was simply taking up all my time. I had to drink lots of coffee to make it through the day. I used to work during the weekends too, and I would stay up many nights to finish my projects and hand them in on time. I ended up feeling so exhausted every day. My boss used to check up on me all the time. When he saw me nodding off at work one day, he had a go at me, telling me off in front of everyone. Luckily, I had some great colleagues that stood up for me. It was so good to know that I could always count on them. Anyway, I couldn't carry on like that. I felt like being a slave. I wanted to get away. I kept thinking about it for a very long time. I spent days turning the problem over in my mind. It was not easy for me to just give up my job. I will keep myself away from that company from now on. So I started looking for another job.
Hold on a moment. I have to pick this up.
No problem. Go ahead.
Okay, let's take up where we left off. So, you're looking for another job.
Yes, I'm now ready to start over somewhere else.
Maybe you should first try to relax and wind down for a few days.
You're right. I really need a break. But enough about me. Tell me about you. How are you getting on with your work?
Everything is fine.
But you look worried. Is there something going on with you and Sarah, maybe?
Well, the problem is that we broke up, so I'm feeling a bit down at the moment.
I'm really sorry you're going through this, but what happened?
I didn't show up to our date because something came up. I had just found out that I had to attend a business meeting, and I didn't get to call off the date. She thought I made it all up, and that I actually fell for somebody else. She said I had let her down. It's so hard for me to get over this.
You should talk it over and sort things out. Sorry for bringing up this subject if you're not comfortable talking about it.
It's okay. I have to go now. It was nice talking to you. Call me when you have time.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Paul! I'm so glad I've run into you.
Hi, Jessica.
Did you hear about the boss? He was forced to step down from his post. We are going to have a new manager next week. I actually met him last year. He respects people and never looks down on anyone. He will take over the responsibility of the company. Everyone says he will bring about a big change in the company.
Really? I didn't know that.
You can apply again for the job if you like. The company will take on new employees over the next 2 months.
Okay, thanks for the good news, but I have to think about this.
We used to be such a great team. You always came up with wonderful ideas and solutions. When nobody knew the answer, you would figure out what to do right away. You know that many colleagues look up to you.
You really cheered me up. We were a great team indeed. Hi, Matthew. What's up? You look very happy today.
Hi, Paul. Well, I finally made up with Sarah, so I am very happy.
That's such great news.
Not only did we get back together, but I proposed to her and she said yes. So we're going to get married soon.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you.
So how about you? Have you found a new job yet?
Guess what? I was hired back and I have a new boss. We get along very well. He is a nice person.
I'm so glad things have finally worked out for you.